This video is for Ree at Tasty. So she had a challenge where she had to take a box of macaroni and make it fancy. So I'm going to go ahead and try the recipe. However, due to budget constraints, I have to make a few changes, which you'll see in this video. Alright, so here are my ingredients. I'm a little low budget. I had to get imitation lobster meat, and I got it for $1. I didn't have tomato paste, so I'm using tomato juice, and I don't have fresh herbs on me today, so I'm using Italian seasoning. I have shallots, believe it or not, and I have garlic, and I have my butter, milk, flour to make the roux. So I have my butter in this pan melting on low, and I'm going to turn it up to medium. What you just heard was me adding my pasta to the boiling water. Alright, so I'm going to add my shallots and my garlic to this. Alright. Oh man, it smells good. Ooh, and an escapee. Alright, oh my gosh, it smells good already. So, I'm going to let these cook off just a little bit. Alright, so then to this, I'm going to go ahead and add my 2 tablespoons of flour. And then I have my milk. And I have tomato juice mixed with the milk. So it's 1 3/4 cup of milk, and then I have 1/4 cup of tomato juice. Alright, so let me go ahead and add this to make the roux. I like to use a spatula. This was not what I was taught in culinary classes, but it's what works for me. Alright, so my roux is looking good, or in this case my sauce, because it's not, why does it call it a roux? Bechamel is what she called it, but you know, I kind of modified it. And so bechamel is one of the 5 mother sauces. Oh, and it's looking so beautiful. Getting thick and luxurious. Okay, oh my goodness, it's looking so pretty. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of my lobster meat to the roux. And it's already been chopped up into little pieces, bite-sized pieces. And then I'm going to save about half of it to go on top. So, alright. That cheese sauce. And then I love how you said there was turmeric in here. It's fancy enough. I'm done. It was so cute. Good joke. Alright. Oh, that's looking so lovely. Ree, I love the recipe you came up with. So that was my timer for my pasta. So we never want to overcook our pasta. Alright, I'm going to chop some of these up. Alright, so I'm adding my pasta in here now. Ooh, it's looking so pretty. So, I'm going to start my oven up because I'm going to put it in the oven in just a few minutes. But I want to do something real quick. It's a little bit different than what you did. Okay, So what I want to do is I want to saute the lobster. All right. All right. And so I'm going to saute that. And then, I don't think you can see it, but I'm going to move it over. Over here. Try to get it both in the picture. I'm going to put a little salt and pepper in here. And salt and pepper in my herbs. Ooh, let me hurry. Okay. So, I got pepper. A little salt. And then I'm going to use like a tablespoon of herbs here. All right. So I got that mixed up in here. I'll move it over. Move this back on the heat really good and move that around. It doesn't take long for my oven to heat up. It's pretty much new. All right. So kind of put that over the top. Whew. Pot's heavy. All right, now breadcrumbs. Go. A few breadcrumbs over it. Alright. Pour a little bit of the butter on there. That was left from the pan, just a few drippings. Alright, now I'm going to put some cheese on top of this. So I'm going to shred my cheese over top of here. Okay, so got my cheese grated on there. I don't know. I think I'm going to put just a little bit more breadcrumbs on top of the cheese. Not a lot, just a little sprinkle. I don't know. My culinary intuition's telling me to do it. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the oven for about 10 minutes and then pull it back out. So my timing on this is roughly a little over 30 minutes, but I'm a one-woman show here. So let me go ahead and put it in. Okay, Riri, it's been in the oven for 10 minutes and it's looking really good. My light went out that I used to film. Thank God for the sunlight, but the sunlight's going. But let me go ahead and give a taste of this. All right. It's really hot. 400 degrees at 10 minutes is what I did. I got my breadcrumbs in there. Yummy, yummy. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my goodness, Riri. You ain't never lied, girl. This is the bomb. This is really good, Riri. So thank you for the recipe, Riri. I'm sorry, Ree. Thank you for the recipe. I will be sharing this with my family when they get here. And oh my goodness, this is so good, Riri. Thank you. And for those of you watching, thank you for watching Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to subscribe, to like, and share. Thank you for stopping by.